Today is Friday, May 8th. Welcome to this edition of Nevada County Now. At the time of filming, there are no new cases of COVID-19 to report, so our total remains at 41 laboratory confirmed cases, 29 in eastern Nevada County and 12 in western Nevada County. There are also no confirmed active cases. Nevada County Public Health lists 40 recovered and just one death. The total number of tests performed still sits at 1,469. Expect those numbers to rise over the next few days as we get results back from the new testing sites. Visit mynevadacounty.com/coronavirus for the most up-to-date information. California is set to move to Stage 2 today in what the state has termed the Resilience Roadmap. Governor Newsom and team issued new guidelines to counties last night on how to proceed with the reopening process. Stage 2 is itself divided into two parts, early and late. Starting today, we are in early Stage 2, which means lower-risk workplaces can begin to reopen with modifications. Businesses included at this point are bookstores, jewelry stores, toy stores, clothing, shoe stores, home and furnishing stores, sporting goods stores, antique stores, music stores, and florists. A note, full opening will be phased in, starting first with curbside pickup and delivery only until further notice. Supply chains supporting the above businesses in manufacturing and logistics sectors are also included in this phase of reopening. Before reopening, all facilities must perform a detailed risk assessment and implement a site-specific protection plan. They must train employees on how to limit the spread of COVID-19, including how to screen themselves for symptoms and stay home if they have them. Implement individual control measures and screenings. Implement disinfecting protocols, and implement physical distancing guidelines. To coincide with the state's recommendations, the County Public Health Officer, Dr. Ken Cutler, has rescinded the local stay-at-home order. This was done to remove confusion as to which order to follow. The California state-level order is still in place. Dr. Cutler said, "We thank everyone for following the stay-at-home order closely. We are looking forward to working with our local businesses and employers to move safely with the state into Stage 2, but this is not a return to normal yet." The county has released a frequently asked questions document about what rescinding the stay-at-home order means, which is available at mynevadacounty.com/coronavirus. And to find out more about Phase 2 and California's Resilience Roadmap, visit covid19.ca.gov/roadmap. Rebound Nevada County is launching the E-commerce Business Igniter course. This course is primarily geared towards local brick-and-mortar retailers who want to establish an online retail presence. Rebound Nevada County is a collaborative group including the Sierra Small Business Development Center, Nevada City and Grass Valley Chambers, the cities of Nevada City and Grass Valley, as well as many other local nonprofits. The one-week 5-part class series will be held online for interactive participation and recorded for later viewing. Classes will be hosted by Sierra Commons and led by a team of local professionals, web designers and developers, photographers, marketing and publicists, and bookkeepers, who will walk businesses through the process of getting online. Enrolled businesses can request 2 hours of one-on-one time with members of the Rebound Consultant team. They can help you with boots-on-the-ground jobs such as setting up payment systems, taking product shots, writing copy, adding items to your shop, social media, and graphic design. Classes are held Monday, May 18th through Friday, May 22nd from 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Enrollment is limited to 50 students and pre-registration is required. If you're interested in applying for enrollment, please visit sierracommons.org/igniter by Thursday, May 14th to begin the process. This Saturday, May 9th, beginning at 12 p.m., Beale Air Force Base will be flying a T-38 4-ship demo team formation flyover throughout Northern California in salute to everyone on the front lines in the fight against COVID-19. The flyover is scheduled to take off from Beale Air Force Base and pass over medical facilities in and around Sacramento, covering the towns of Grass Valley, Yuba City, Marysville, Wheatland, Lincoln, Roseville, Folsom, Citrus Heights, Sacramento, Vacaville, Travis Air Force Base, Woodland, and Oroville before returning to the base. The Grass Valley, Nevada City area is the first scheduled destination, so expect their arrival just after noon on Saturday. It's Nurses Week this week. With all that's going on right now, it's even more important than ever to take time to thank and appreciate all our nurses do to help keep our communities healthy and vibrant. I spoke with Kelly Bollet, Interim Chief Nurse at Sierra Nevada Memorial Hospital, to get some insight into what drives nurses to be so awesome. So I'm joined today by Kelly Bollet, Interim Chief Nurse at Sierra Nevada Memorial Hospital. How are you doing today, Kelly?
I've had a great day, thank you.
And happy Nurses Day.
Thank you for that. It's been a very special day.
How do you feel about the whole Nurses Day?
It's amazing. It's a day that we take to honor our profession, and we had to do it a little differently this year. So with all the COVID-19 restrictions, but we were still able to honor our nurses.
Good. And so what does your celebration or whatnot usually look like?
What it usually looks like is we have, a gathering, a celebration. We provide a meal, either, we do it differently every year if it's breakfast, lunch, dinner. And normally we celebrate our Daisy Award winner, which is a nationally recognized award. But this year we're postponing that just a couple months to hopefully be able to celebrate it in the way that it's intended, because the stories and the patient part of this, because many patients and family members nominate our nurses and they like to be part of it as well, and we just can't do that right now. So we've pushed it back a couple months in hopes that we'll be able to do that.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, that would still be very nice to be able to have everybody be involved, I'm sure.
Yes, and that really is the part of nursing, that I love the most, is the connection, and the connection with our patients.
And so I think one of the other reporters from the union had asked you if you could do it all over again, would you still be a nurse?
Absolutely. And I told him, a nurse is who I am, it's not what I do. So absolutely, there isn't another, when I think about it, when people ask what else would you do, there's no answer, because it's always been nursing for me.
Well, it seems like you picked the right thing. You're doing great things for our community, I'm sure.
Thank you.
So what is something that most people don't know or don't understand about your job?
Oh, well, I most recently, so my current position is I'm the Director of Patient Care Services. So I am the responsible person for 5 units of the hospital. And then I have most recently accepted the Interim Chief Nurse position. And I guess it's that, I don't know, that I still love the patient interaction, and that's what fills my cup every day. It's not the meetings and the other parts of the job that are necessary to provide the highest quality of care we can for our patients, but it's out there rounding and meeting our patients and hearing from them.
Great. Well, thank you for taking the time to talk with me today.
Thank you.
Thanks, Kelly. And once again, a big thank you to all the nurses out there for all you do to keep us safe and healthy. We'll leave you today with a short compilation of bloopers from the filming of this show. I do my best to say words, but sometimes it doesn't go quite as well as I'd wanted. I hope my mistakes can bring you a chuckle at the least. And remember, stay safe, take care of each other, and we'll see you on Monday. Governor Gavin Newsom are able to gain that access. Damn it. In addition, 41 to. It's important that the city will now continue through October 31st instead of ending. As well as representing. Many have applied for pay more information and about how what? I hope my mistakes can bring you a chuckle at the least. And I'm making a mistake right there. For more details on Eller's experience. Pets submitted to the to prepare. I was doing so good there, Andy. Gartia. Damn it, Andy. Hispity House. Remember, stay safe, take care of each other, and we'll see you on Monday. That was good. That was pretty good.